World Health Organization to rename monkeypox over stigmatization concerns. In June, the World Health Organization announced plans to rename the monkeypox virus and two of its variants after scientists expressed concern about possible stigma and racist backlash to the names. The two variants, known as clades, had previously been called the Congo Basin clade and West African clade. They will now be listed using Roman numerals instead. Don't understand. In a statement, the World Health Organization said, quote, current best practices is that newly identified viruses related to disease and virus variants should be given names with the aim to avoid causing offense to any cultural, social, national, regional, professional, or ethnic groups and minimize any negative impact on trade, travel, tourism, or animal welfare. This is crazy, but understandable that these diseases were being, look at AIDS came out as the gay disease. Gay cancer.
Right? Yeah.
And monkeypox in the U.S. immediately was listed as being spread by the homosexuals. And it was our disease again. And so I do understand why they would want to change it from monkeypox, because, our racist friends would then point to South Africa and say, look, they brought it over.
Wow, isn't that crazy?
Why don't they just call it Trump pox? I mean, that would really fill in the blank.
But I go for Trump pox. I like that one a lot.
Well, we all remember his nickname for COVID.
Was the Chinese flu?
Yeah.
I mean, and he's still using that on the trail.
Which he got.
Yeah.
So what would you name it? What would you name it, Glenn?
Name what?
The
Him?
monkeypox.
A disease.
Well, we've had.
No, the same thing like COVID, BA.5 variant, so what are,
Think about every drug that's out there, like how they come up with these names for these drugs is like crazy.
Yeah.
W.H.O, what does that mean?
I don't know.
I don't know.
And who's keeping all this data? You know how much cloud space it takes and the energy it takes to keep this information, this data in a cloud somewhere?
And constantly changing.
Let alone to pronounce it on this show.
So just remember, just imagine the library. It's
right?
Like, these guys, don't they need to find a cure or something?
Right.
Why are we worried about the
naming it? Right.
Like,
Meanwhile, I wonder if somebody from the Poultry Foundation wants to rename,
chicken pox, right? We've had that that forever. There's no chickens that are mad at that.
No.
That we know.
How do we know?
Wow.
LGBTQ plus news is vital for our community and for the broader world as a whole. We have enough enemies at Fox News. Tucker, Sean, and Lara are loud. We need passionate allies. Happening Out Television Network, Queer News Tonight, and It's Happening Out are literally out of the closet and into the headlines. Our community needs your support. Like this broadcast and subscribe now to ensure the growth of the entire LGBTQ plus community.